Label the parts. Label the parts. Which part of the microscope is used to adjust the focus for a sharper image under high power? Label the parts. Which adjusts the amount of light passing through the specimen. Label the parts. Which part of the microscope is responsible for magnification and can be rotated to switch between different magnifying powers? What part of the microscope do you look through to see the specimen? What is primarily used for making large adjustments to the focus under low power? Which of the following parts of a microscope supports the slide being observed? Label the parts. What allows you to rotate between different objective lenses? Label the parts. What is used for holding the microscope securely during transport? Which part connects the eyepiece to the objective lenses?